Joe Joseph's lunch at a restaurant costs $13 without tax. He leaves the waiter a tip of 17% of the cost of the lunch without tax. What is the total cost of the lunch, including the tip? Guys, this one's very simple. You set up your proportion. You're looking for 17% of $13. So you're going to set up your proportion, x over 13, and then 17% over 100. And you solve it. You will get a number. That represents the tip. What do you have to do with the tip to find the total cost? I would add them together. Last week, the price of apples at a grocery store was $1.60 per pound. This week, apples at the same grocery store were on sale at a 10% discount. What is the total price of 4.5 pounds this week at the grocery store? So, if it's a 10% discount, that means you went from 100% minus 10%, which is 90%. You set up a proportion using the 90% and the $1.60 per pound. You find the new price of apples. So you take the new price after you get it and multiply it by 4.5, and you will get your answer. Mick paid $2.94 on sales tax on an item that cost $42 before tax. At that rate, how much would he pay in sales tax for an item that costs $58 before tax? There is a multitude of ways to solve this, and I've seen a bunch of you do it different ways. I believe the easiest way is you set it up as tax over sales price, where you would do $2.94 over 42, and you don't know the tax, so it's going to be X over 58. When you solve that proportion, you will get your answer. Carl wants to buy a television that costs $500, including taxes. To pay for the television, he will use a payment plan that requires him to make a down payment of $125 and then pay $72.50 each month for 6 months. What is the percent increase from the original cost of the television to the cost of the television using the payment plan? So guys, if he buys it today, it's $500. If he uses the payment plan, he will spend $125 plus the $72.50 times 6 months. This answer equals $560. So to find percent increase, which is what you're totally being asked to find, you find the difference of the two costs. Subtract them. That's what difference means. Put it in a proportion over the original cost. Set equal to X over 100 because we're looking for the percent, and you will get the answer.